Hi there, my name is Josephine Krasnodębska and I'm a project manager in Seven Bulls company from Poland. We are in the Morphemic project consortium of 12 partners from 7 different countries. Morphemic is Horizon 2020 project under the call ICT 15 2019-2020 Cloud Computing. It started 1st January 2020 and will end 31st December 2022. For me, Morphemic is a unique way of adapting and optimizing cloud computing applications. The project is an extension of Melodic, which is a multi-cloud platform developed in Horizon 2020 project as well, called Melodic. Melodic is the simplest and easiest way to use cross-cloud. And now, this open source platform will be extended in Morphemic project with 2 main innovative pillars: polymorph architecture and proactive adaptation. Both concepts have not been exploited yet in the cloud computing area. The introduction of these concepts in Morphemic will open new potential research areas, which will create novel research and innovative projects. Okay, so it's all from my side about Morphemic. Now let's hear my Morphemic colleagues, what they say about the project.
Yes, so hello, my name is Katarzyna Materka, short name is Kasia, and I am from Seven Bulls company from Poland. And in Morphemic project, I am responsible for work package 4.
My name is Ferhat Krif. I work at the hospital called CHUV in Switzerland, in Lausanne. My role in the project is to provide use case to the project for healthcare application and particularly for brain diseases.
Okay, my name is Adam Fizikowski. I am representing IS Wireless, the Polish SME, and my role in the project is a technical manager. So I'm responsible for our team and for performing the activities in the project.
Hello, hi, I am Alessandra Bagnato. I represent the Soft Team company. Soft Team in the project leads the exploitation task, and we are the leaders of the user interface feature.
I am Ciro Formisano from Engineering Italy, and I am the technical leader of engineering, and we are part of the consortium with different roles.
What is Morphemic about?
Okay, very wide question. Morphemic proposes a novel model of application deployment. In particular, the specific form of deployment and environment, for example, serverless, Docker, big data, job cloud, is chosen in order to optimize the fulfillment of the requirements and the user experience.
Morphemic brings the vision of Morphemic is to be able to propose a unique way to adapt and optimize cloud computing application by introducing the new novel concept of polymorphic architecture and proactive adaptation.
Well, Morphemic is a project that deals with virtualization, cloudification in a smart way of different applications. And the applications can be of type like very user specific or close to the user, or in our case, this is very specific because it's more close to the network.
Yeah, so Morphemic is most advanced cloud computing models, and these models are proactive adaptation and polyformic transformation.
One keyword describes the project.
Well, one keyword is always very hard. I would say if it's just one, I would say it's cloud related. This is something like it.
One keyword defined is proactive, and this is from the technical side, but also for medicine. I think we have to move from preventive, from just curation medicine to preventive and also proactive medicine. That's mean taking care of people before they get seriously ill.
I would use a lot of keywords, but I would say adaptation.
I think that the best word is future of cloud.
Why your organization is on board? What was the motivation?
Well, first of all is our interest in this cloud world, of course, and its evolution. And we want to simplify cloud application modeling with our modeling perspective, modeling tool that is, of course, on one of our top priority. And with Morphemic, we will continuously optimize and morph the deployment model to take advantage of the beneficial cloud capabilities.
The motivation was that previously we have created some applications that are now installed and used in hospitals, but we saw that's one of the bottleneck for our application to be deployed more widely in other countries, and particularly in Europe. There was total benefit of using cloud services.
What is the role of your organization in the project?
We are the leader of the user interface feature with our modeling tool Modelio, and we are also the leader of the exploitation task and work package.
So our organization, as more use cases, is to provide all the context where the cloud application can be used, and particularly for medicine and brain diseases, and provide all this in terms of addressing the challenges and the issue in terms of data sharing, launched application in very difficult context, which is the medical context.
What kind of problems the project is solving?
The problem that the project solve is basically it's a unique way of adapting and optimize cloud computing application. The project is able to introduce new concepts like polymorphic architecture and proactive adaptation.
Okay, the project is solving the problems of allowing different workloads to be placed in an abstract way. I mean, to be provided a framework which hides a little bit the details of whatever vendor of the cloud is behind. So this is the problem of unifying access to the cloud resources. Solves the problem of decisions related to morphing, changing the platform used for virtualization in a transparent, smart way, which is driven by the utility function.
Why the project is innovative?
I think the project is really innovative because first it will build on the existing technology, but push this technology a bit further. And really, there's a need to be more adaptive by this cloud application, and making use of all these different cloud providers, this different landscape. And I think this is where the innovation sits.
I think that it creates a new cloud computing models, and these models were never used before. So it should improve efficiency of application, and it should also save costs.
Because it is focused on the proactivity and on forecast of the needs of the resources usage.
What are the strongest points of the project?
I think that the strongest point is a knowledge of cloud computing and research capabilities of our partners.
I think the use cases, actually, because they are very different, very challenging, and they cover a wide spectrum of topics.
What is the most challenging in the project realization?
Well, it's in my opinion, is the research behind it, of course, and the utility function that we will build to give the best suggestion to the users, and to give the best proactive adaptation, not only based on the current execution context and condition, but also on the forecast future resource needs and possible deployment configuration.
I think the most challenges is that when you have such a variety of different use case applications, so you need to take care of different contexts, different needs, etc. So this provide a challenge, but if we overcome this, I think we will have like a very nice portfolio of applications.
What will be the benefit of the project for your organization?
Actually, engineering in general is continuously try to improve the processes and the products through research. But in particular in Morphemic, the big possibility that we see is to improve and optimize our processes of service provisioning, and it is very important.
We actually foresee many benefits because the work that Morphemic is doing, let's say we're ending the project right now and we have the solution from the project. For us, it is a very valuable tool that can help to automate many things that normally we would need to deal with in a manual way.
What will be the benefit of the project for you?
For myself, I always try to make tools that's large set of people can use. So we have developed tools that previously were coded in MATLAB, in Python now, and we try to make this available to larger community. And I think with this technology, I can achieve this goal to have tools that we are developing used by more people.
For me, I would like to develop my project management skills, and I would like to achieve something new in the European project, and I feel that will be great for me.
As you could hear, Morphemic is a highly innovative and ambitious project, which we would love to show during ICT 2020 in Cologne. It is a great chance and opportunity for us to extend the information about Morphemic and about ourselves. More information about our project you can find on our website and social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook.